The Belarusian Army received the first batch of domestically developed BTR-V2 APC armored personnel carriers, APCs. The vehicles were delivered to the 120th Separate Mechanized Brigade stationed in Minsk recently. The exact number of APCs received is not specified, but it is likely a trial batch of vehicles. The BTR-V2 APC prototype was first unveiled to the public in 2021 at the Minsk International Arms and Military Equipment Exhibition in Minsk. This 8x8 self-propelled vehicle was designed to replace the obsolete Soviet-era BTR-80 family of armored vehicles. The BTR-V2 APC has received enhanced ballistic protection, with the frontal armor upgraded to BR5 and the side projections to BR4. As a result, the weight of the combat vehicle increased by 2.5 tons, bringing the total weight to 24.5 tons. The BTR-V2 APC has a crew of 3, including a driver, commander, and gunner. Its rear compartment can accommodate 8 fully armed soldiers. As a self-defense and combat weapon, the BTR-V2 APC is equipped with the new Adinok BM30.2 combat module, which features a 30mm automatic cannon, a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, and 2 Konkurs ATGM. This large-bodied APC is powered by a domestically made WP13.550A0 inline 6-cylinder diesel engine with a power output of up to 550 horsepower. The vehicle's maximum speed reaches 110 km per hour on the highway and 10 km per hour on water. Its operating range is approximately 900 kilometers.